Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to make eye-catching gradient text in Canva to really make your designs pop, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create beautiful, professional-looking gradient text using some clever tricks in Canva, even though Canva doesn't have a built-in gradient text feature yet. So grab your computer and let's get started. First things first, open up Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's super user-friendly and works right in your browser. Once you're on the main page, you'll want to look for that big, cheerful Create a Design button. Click on that and let's move forward. Now, instead of choosing one of the preset sizes, we're actually going to set a custom size for our canvas. This helps us make sure the final result fits our needs perfectly and isn't stretched or squished. For this tutorial, set your width to 100 and the height to 50. These numbers may seem a bit random, but they give us a nice horizontal space that works especially well for text effects. Go ahead and click Create New Design. You might need to wait a second or two for the blank canvas to load. With your design open, focus your attention on the search bar at the top left. Type in Gradient Background. What we're doing here is looking for a nice, colorful base that we'll use as the background for our text. Canva offers lots of gorgeous gradients to choose from. Some have subtle color transitions, others are bold and bright. Click around and pick one that really appeals to you or fits the vibe you're going for. Don't worry, you can always change it later if you want. Once you find one you like, just click it and it'll fill your workspace. Alright, now it's time to add in our text. Head over to the left toolbar and hit that Text tab. You can choose one of Canva's presets or just add a heading for a fresh start. Type out whatever you'd like your gradient text to say and then pick a font that matches your style. Bold sans serifs tend to show off gradients really well, but feel free to experiment. Here where the magic happens. Select your text and set the color to white. You might be wondering, why white? Well, white acts as a blank canvas and helps the underlying colors shine through when we add transparency, making the gradient effect visible inside the text. Next, look for the little transparency tool, usually represented by a faded checkerboard. Click on it and slowly drag the slider down from 100% closer to 0%. You'll notice as you do this, the text starts to reveal the vibrant gradient underneath. Adjust the transparency until the colors from the gradient background blend beautifully with the white text, creating that gorgeous gradient-filled look. Take your time here, sometimes it takes a few tries until it feels just right. And there you go, you've just created stunning gradient text in Canva using an easy workaround. It's perfect for Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or any project where you want your words to stand out. Don't worry if it didn't look perfect on your first try. Experiment with different backgrounds, fonts, and transparency levels until you're happy with the result. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Canva tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative how-tos, and I'll see you in the next video.